Namaste everyone. Jai Hind. I welcome you all in today's class. First of all, I want to tell you that I am very happy to receive your work on time. You are becoming very attentive in sending your work regularly. Keep it up. So, children, in today's video, I'm not going to introduce any new topic. We will revise the blog thoroughly as all information is very important and it's very necessary to understand it and learn it. So, let's start revising about Block 5 India, my country. Let's find out what we have learned in last class. We learned that India is an Asian continent. And the meaning of continent is one of the larger continuous masses of land. Land का एक बड़ा सा टुकड़ा is called continent. We come to know about our neighboring countries like Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. We come to know about that India has 28 states, and states are the smaller parts of the country. And the meaning of capital. Capitals are important cities in the states. We learned about India's surroundings. Like in north we have Himalayan range. In east we have Bay of Bengal. In south direction we have Indian Ocean, and in west we have the Arabian Sea. Children, do you know what is important in locating a state? That means if we want to locate any state, what is the important element we use? So children, knowing the four directions such as north, south, east, west are important to locate a state. मीन्स हमें पता होना चाहिए डायरेक्शंस के बारे में, तभी हम किसी भी स्टेट को ईजिली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. एंड वी यूज़ कंपास टू लोकेट एनी डायरेक्शन. Now let's recall the states of India and their capitals. As we all know that we have 28 states in India. In north direction, we have 5 states. Let's recall the names of the states and their capitals. So children, it's time to repeat after me. We will recall the states which falls in northern India. So first we have Himachal Pradesh and its capital is Shimla. Second state is Punjab and its capital is Chandigarh. Then Haryana, its capital is also Chandigarh. They both share the same capital. Then fourth one is Uttar Pradesh and its capital is Lucknow. It's our state where we live. Then fifth we have Uttarakhand and its capital is Dehradun. Children, did you know earlier Jammu and Kashmir was also the state of India, but now it is no longer a state of India. So only these 5 states comes under northern India. In east part of India, we have 12 states. How many states? 12. Very good. So let's recall the names of the states and their capitals which falls in eastern India. So number 1, we have Arunachal Pradesh and its capital is Itanagar. Then second one is Assam. Its capital is Dispur. Third one is Nagaland and its capital is Kohima. Then next is Manipur. Its capital is Imphal. Then next one is Mizoram and its capital is Aizawl. Then next is Tripura. Its capital is Agratala. Then we have Meghalaya and its capital is Shillong. Next we have Sikkim and its capital is Gangtok. Then we have West Bengal and its capital is Kolkata. Then Odisha and its capital is Bhubaneswar. Then we have Jharkhand and its capital is Ranchi. And the last one is Bihar and its capital is Patna. So in east of India we have 12 states, and in north side we have how many states? 5. That's right. So in north and east India we have total 17 states. I hope this much is clear to you. Okay, so here I want to share one more thing with you. Children, are you able to see the box, rectangular box in the picture where heart is blinking, heart pin is blinking? Okay, children. So these are the 7 states, and these states are called 7 sisters. The states like Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Assam. These 7 states are known as 7 sisters. What we call them? Yes, 7 sisters. And these 7 sisters also known as northeastern states because their direction is in north and east side. Now children, it's time to learn the names of our neighboring countries and the names of our states and their capitals. First, we will learn the northern states and eastern states and their capitals. Okay, because it's very important. I'm sure you will learn it soon. And in our next video, we will discuss about our southern, western and central states. Enjoy learning, stay home, be safe.